Good morning and welcome to Online Learning Intro for Course 1 Math. This is Miss Adams and I'm going to kind of walk you through really basically what to do for online learning for math this quarter. So we have our class dojo and over here you have welcome back Christine, and what you're going to do is you are going to use the class dojo to get information from me or to get information to me. And what you're going to do is you're going to sign in as a parent. When you get the code, if you haven't done so already, you're going to get a code, and I can have it translated into several languages. And you sign in as a parent, that'll actually be as a family unit. So the child can use it, the student can use it, as well as the parents. You're going to sign in using the Class Dojo account, and this will give me opportunities. If you have a question about something, you can very quickly text me. I can very quickly answer you back. In email, it's a little bit more formal, and there's a ton of emails, and I'm afraid I'm going to miss yours. So if you do everything through Class Dojo, it'll be real simple for us to keep an account of what was said, what you need, and if I haven't checked back with you, you can say, hey, Miss Adams, and it's real simple. So that's the first thing. So if you have not gotten a Class Dojo account number, if you have not received an email from me, and everybody should have some of you several times, ask and email me your correct email, and I will email you a Class Dojo code. You use the parent code, you sign in as a parent or a parent sign up, and then your family can use it from there. Our next screen is a Big Ideas Math. This is the math practice book that we've used this classroom this year. We kind of set it aside because we found some other materials that were a little easier to work with. But what I've done with the Big Ideas is I've created a video for you so that you can walk all the way through each and every problem, or most problems. There may be some that you've done 5 of them, and I may say, hey guys, do the next 5 on your own, or do the next few on your own. But the Big Ideas basically is going to have a tab that says assignments. When you sign in with the Big Ideas Math at the bottom, this is found on your My STS screen from Sarasota County. So when you sign in, it'll say Clever at the bottom of your sign in. It'll ask for information. If you just scroll down just a little tiny bit on your Big Ideas sign in, it'll say sign in with Clever, and it'll automatically bring you to the assignments. The assignments are already in there for you. You don't have to do anything special. But what I have provided for you is a message box. It might say teacher's notes, it might say teacher's messages, it might just say messages. But when you click on that little teacher's note or the message, you will find a YouTube video link. So I'm going to copy that, Control C, and then I'm going to put it up in here in a new tab, and then I'm going to hit enter. I pasted it, I did Control V, and what you're seeing now is me explaining, me explaining the video. This video is explaining the problems that are in the Big Ideas book. So if you will do these, if you notice the time down here, it's 15 minutes. All of the videos are 15 minutes, which means you should be able to get your math work done in 15 minutes or right around there. At this time, you're supposed to be spending about 30 minutes a day on math. Tops, going in, logging in, doing the math, working it with me should take you about 20 minutes. And I cut out one of the assignments this week. We had a chapter 2 test, and I cut that out specifically so that you will not have any problems with it. If you notice right over here on the right-hand side, these are some of the other videos that I've created. So those are yours as well. They're listed right with the assignment that they're due with. So you should not have any problems being able to work it. In fact, the people that are doing the videos with it are getting awesome scores, and you should too. So the next screen you're looking at is Blackboard. Blackboard also has announcements. It's not as complete as the Class Dojo. Everything that we're doing right now is on Class Dojo, but there are announcements like this one right here says super important. So I'm going to click on that. And this reminds me that in that message box, you can click on the message box and a YouTube video appears, and this is how you do the YouTube video. They're about 15 minutes long, and so you should not have any problems. Okay, so that is my intro to Course 1 Math with Miss Adams. I hope you guys have a great day. And if you have any questions, please Class Dojo me. If you're not on Class Dojo yet, please email me at chris.adams@sarasotacountyschools.net. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.